DJ, we will start. Oh, you put the numbers. Yeah, I miss V. Okay. Oh, you put the, you count na, you count.
27.
You will, what?
You're in 6, 7.
6, 7. Oh, dali, come on.
6, 7. Teacher, mommy.
Okay, come on.
Down.
Okay, you count here. Oh, which one? You put na, you start putting the numbers na. You start putting the numbers. Come on.
6.
Dali. You start putting the numbers. Oh, dali. You count na here, oh. Oh, here, 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 here. Oh, which one? Ayan. Oh, you start with this one. With this boat. How many is that?
1.
Okay, you get the number 1. You get the number 1.
No.
Where is the number 1?
6. Where is 6?
Ayan yung 6.
Asa?
Oh, dali na. Where is the number 1?
Where is the 6?
Hindi man nag-finish? Okay, we will, done na.
I'm sorry.
Oh, dali na, you finish na. Oh, ito muna first, oh.
6.
Ito muna, dali. 6. Oh, you count here. Where is the 6 dyan?
That's 9.
9 yan, okay. Ayun yung 6, oh.
That's 6. 6. 6, 7, 6. 6. That's 9. 6.
Come on.
7.
Oh, you put here, you put.
6.
You put, dali. Come on. Okay, we will start with this, with the boat.
I would do a 6, 7. I do a 6, 7.
Okay. Oh, we will start na, come on. Oh, well, enough drawing na, come on.
No.
Ali, okay, you find. DJ, oh, you count this one na, oh. We start with this one. Oh, how many?
No.
How many?
9. That's 9.
Ali, 9.
That's 9.
Okay, that's 9.
Ito 6.
Opo.
6.
Oh, you put this one na, oh, dali na. Oh, dali na, para we finish na, oh.
And that's
We finish. Dali, you put now, you put. You count na, you count. This one. Oh, you count na, Dij. How many is this? How many?
1, A, E, O, U.
It's not reading, it's numbers. Oh, you put the number. Oh, you count muna, tapos you put the number.
A, E, O.
It's not A, E, O, O.
A, E, O.
Oh, we're not reading, we're...
A, E, O. U.
Dali, you put the numbers na. Okay.
My tummy hurts. Mommy, my tummy hurts.
Ang tummy hurts. Come on, na dali.
Poo.
Ay, Dij. Oh, yeah, you count na. You count na, dali. Oh, you put this number. Oh, how many is this? How many? Yung boat. How many yung boat? How many? Ito. You count how many? How many yung boat? Ilan yan? Ilan? Oh, you count.
6. Ito 6.
Opo.
Ito 6, 7.
Enough na. Inang 6, 7. You count na. Ito, oh. Dali. You count na, you count.
1.
One. Which one is the number 1? Which one? Yung E1 lang. 1.
Wait.
Mm. Okay. Okay. And then,
Wait.
how about this one? How many?
Ito
What number is that?
8.
Oh, how many is this? Count.
Ate Jilka is 8.
Hindi. Ate Angelica is 17.
57.
Okay. Oh, yeah. How many is this? Oh, you count.
Where is 8?
Ayun yung sa likod mo, oh.
3.
Verse 3. You find it. Okay, 3. Oh, alin yung 3? Okay, very good.
Ito. Ano po ito ba?
Hindi man yan 8. How many is that to? You count na eh. Ito. How many? Count. Count to, count.
Monkey.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
oh. Where's the number 4?
4.
Nagagalaw mo na.
4.
Asan yung 4? Okay. Oh, you put in there the 4.
The 8.
Okay. Tapos, how about this one? How many to? How many ito? Oh, how many?
1, 2.
Okay. Oh, where's the 2? You find it. Ayun, sa likod mo. Where is the 2? You search here.
Oh,
You search here. Oh.
I'm putting back.
You search. Oh. Okay.
I finished.
Okay. Oh, how about this one? Is it correct or what? Oh, what number is this?
10.
10. Oh, is this 10? You count nga. Tingnan nga natin if it's 10. Oh, you count the panda. Ito, oh.
How?
Oh. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh. Is it correct or no?
Correct.
Ito. You put the number 10. Correct siya o hindi? It's 5 lang. Tapos you put 10. Where is the number 5? Again.
I didn't fix.
Okay. You're fixing. Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, dyan na. Kaya mo na yan. Okay. Okay. Oh, this
I'm
one.
done.
Not yet pa. Ito pa, oh. Page 2. Page 2. You check. There is, wrong here. There is wrong here. Ito. You count dito.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 5 lang to. Why did you put number 10? This is wrong. Where is the number 5? Nasaan yung 5? Okay. Ate Angelic is 7. Wow, okay. Very good. Oh, very good. It's correct na. Ano to? You read this?
1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, this one. Next. Okay. Oh, you count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Where is it? Hanap mo. What number is that?
8.
Oh, 8 yan.
Where is it?
Okay, you check.
I'll put it
You
here.
check. Oh, you check there in the... Oh.
Is it 6?
Opo, oh.
6?
Okay, 6. Okay, 6. Where is the 6?
It's here. Ito was 9. That's 6.
6. Where do you put the 6? Asan yung 6?
Here.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5, 6.
Okay. Oh, next.
5. Only
Okay, ito.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1.
Go.
Okay. Oh, ito. Ah, ito.
5,
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Where is it?
5, 4, 3,
You look for the ano.
1.
Oh, you put the numbers. Dali na, para you will finish na, oh. Which one is it? Anong number to? Ito. Oh, dali, oh. You put this properly na, oh. Next, what number is this? What number is that?
No.
Okay. Okay. Dali na.
Where is it? Here?
Ano number yan?
That's 7.
Okay. Okay.
6 yan, 6. Mommy,
Po.
that's
Okay, 6 yan. Tapos ito.
That's
What number is that? Okay. Oh, how about this one? Okay. We will count together. Count together.
6, 7.
Okay. O, ito, how about this one? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then
hindi. Ano to? Again.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Ito. You do it properly na, oh. Okay. Again. O, dali, do it properly. Di ba? It's done na, oh. Ito naman. Opo. O, dali na. O, listen to the teacher, oh. O, again. Again. Dali na, again. O, dali. O, 1. Oh, you count properly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm old, mommy.
Okay. You're old na. Oh, dali. Oh, you put. Which one here?
No.
Which one?
I hate this. No. 7.
Dali na. 2 na lang. Oh, matatapos na, oh. Oh, dali. You put. Oh, ayusin mo to. Dali, again. You finish na.
No. No.
Oh, which one is this? Saan na yan?
Here.
Okay.
I.
Okay. This one. You count. Ayan naman yung mga cows. Moo. Oh, again, you count this one.
Mama.
Okay.
What's mouth?
Okay. You count this one. 1.
It's Chimoy.
Okay. How about this one? Oh, how about this one? 1. Ito. You count 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay. Which one is 9 there? Dalawa na lang.
9.
That one is 1. Ito.
Ito.
Yan. Opo. Ganyan o ganyan. You put. Okay. Oh, yeah. Last one. Ito. Oh, you count na ito. Oh. 1.
Jesus Christ. Crucified. Leave behind the stone. He lived to die near.
Okay. O, dali.
Chicken is
And-
alone like a rose. Rumble on the ground. Thunder me above. What
Ayan.
happened to the Jesus?
Okay.
What
Jesus
happened?
cross. Okay.
They crucify him. Mommy sing crucify.
Crucified. Pero we count muna. Before we sing the crucified. Okay.
It says Doritos.
Okay. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Ay, 11. Again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10.
11 talaga.
1,
2. Ay, 1. Again. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
10.
9,
11.
11.
Wrong man pala to.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11.
11.
11 pala.
1, 2,
Okay, you're finished.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10, 11.
11.
I'm done.
Wrong man siya. Okay, you're done. Very good. Okay, that's for